Good morning, folks. This is Double G Outdoors TV. Hey, we're coming back to you. Doing a little pond fishing this morning here. Got a buddy's farm pond here. It's got some real big bluegill, real big bass. So we're gonna play around here and see what we can come up with. Maybe catch some eater bluegill from a mama. So we'll see what's happening. Stay tuned. Looky there, folks. Look at the size of those carp. Big old carp swimming right there. He's literally trying to get those out. He's got one in here that's way too big, so he's trying to get it out of the mix. It's not doing its job no more, and it's aggressive as all get out with the other ones. But man, there's some big ones in here. All right, well, we're gonna start off with we're doing drowning of the worms, I guess. We'll start off throwing some crappie jigs stuff I got tied on already. There's some nice fish in here. So, trying to angle it where I'm not killing you with the sun. Yeah, and I got all halfway here and realized I just grabbed a lot of rods and didn't think about what I needed. And I forgot my daggone my bass rods. I meant to grab a couple bass rods, so guess what? We won't be using bass rods today. I know there's some big ones in here though. There we go. All right. Okay. Well, we got the skunk off. We got the skunk off, folks. A little largy. Boy, he's hooked good. He has hooked something good. All right. I knew I got bumped there twice. He come back around and picked it up. All right, that's a good sign. Now this is an ultimate place if you want to catch a PB bluegill. Huh. This is definitely an ultimate pond to do that. Son's girlfriend caught a 11 and a quarter, I think it was. 11 and a quarter out of here, and a 10 and a half. Oop, missed it. There we go. We are hooked up, folks. We're gonna have to take our time today. All right. Just because I'm using super light tackle. That's a 4-pound test line. 4-pound test. Another little largemouth. Oops, sorry, got you at the sun. All right. Pretty happy with the. Oh, whoops! Let that one go a little early. Let the start already. I didn't get here at daylight because I haven't been here in a long time. And I want to make sure my buddy's had a house fire and he's building his house, and he's starting to, he put in chicken barns. He's doing a big project, so I didn't want to come in here and in the dark and try to fumble my way through. So I didn't do that today. So far, that's pretty cool. A few casts. I already picked up a nice fish. And folks, I'm sorry about the sun. I've got to face the sun for a couple second casts. I'll try to keep you pointed out of it here. We are hooked. Oh, I lost it. There we go. Hooked up again. Small one. The other one felt better that I lost. Had a rough day on the lake yesterday, but I think when I get out of Junior League this evening with my wife, I think we're going to go back to the lake tonight, this evening. And we're going to try this crappie again, but I think we're going to come in from the other side of the lake today. Because I really just think last night, yesterday morning and all that, I really just think they were down deep. I'm just letting that sink a little bit. There he is. Wherever he is. Oh, good Lord. Some aggressive little fish now. Thumping and bopping. Make sure the camera cleaned off because he was splashing. Sorry about that, folks. Well, so far, pretty non-stop action. We're going to be making a walk around there. I know y'all see that splashing. Beautiful morning. Well, I guess the humidity's up, but the temperature said 57, 58 all the way here this morning. But I'm telling you right now, it isn't. Heat-wise, she is not. She is not 57 or 58. Don't really care what they say. Really have no idea how deep the pond is. If I ask my buddy, I guarantee he knows. But I can tell this pond's down a little bit even, just because I think it's normally up as high as these cattails beside me here. Alright. Don't want to make too much noise using these banks. And I also want to stay back just far enough to where if there's fish close, I'm not spooking them too bad. Hey, sorry about the old cattle. They forget we're trying to make a fishing video. There we go. Here's a bump. Here we go. We're hooked up. Alright, well, first nice bluegill. He's decent. Not quite what I want to eat. I want just a little bit bigger than that. Not much, a little bit. If I start catching them, and I catch a bunch that size, then I'll take them. I will take them. I got me a little smaller cooler up there. I'll throw them in them. I'll be taking home fish dish. Alright, no matter what I do, I'm gonna put the sun in your guys' eyes today. There's that big old carp swimming around. So the son's girlfriend is infatuated with this carp. And she says she's going to be the one to catch this carp. He's trying to get this great big one out of here. He said it's literally became a kind of a nuisance. It won't let the other ones do their job. Didn't know that about the carp deal like that, but I guess once I started reading a little bit after they started telling me. But I guess once they get to a certain size, they become, I think, territorial and... Oh, there we go. Now that's a fish. Now we got a fish, folks. We got a nice one here. He needs peel and drag. We're going to let him have all he wants. Look at that. Oh, we got us a nice one. We got us a nice one here, people. It's coming. Oh my. This is that carp. No way. Oh, 4-pound test line. I gotta get this thing in. I'm gonna let him have all the drag he wants. Oh, Lily will be ready to kill me. Well, it's there. Gotta be careful with this because this big boy right here, they always, right at the end, get a big burst of energy. Oh, let me get this fish in. What'd I do? Snag him? I have known that. Oh, he's there. No way. Then I caught this fish. I gotta get this fish landed for him. Yeah, I gotta call him. He's not liking it. I don't know what else to do with him. This is an ultralight fishing rod, folks. This is my Magic L. Lord mercy, sorry about the camera here. This fish is trying to dig in on me. This is gonna take a minute, people. And maybe we can keep up with it. Wow. Well, folks, you're in for a treat if I can get this one on the bank. I think I've snagged him when I was reeling. Didn't even know he was there. Jeez. Not sure how I got him hooked. That's what's kind of throwing me off. He's trying to take me around the pond. Look at that big boy. I don't know that I can land this fish without a net. I'll try to get my way around here without getting drowned. There he is. There he is, people. We're getting closer on him. Come on, don't do it. Stay close, guy. Now, folks, no matter what, if that ain't a testament to these Magic L rods, I mean, I've been fighting this fish for probably 5 minutes now. He's trying to drag me around this pond. Every time I get close to him, he starts peeling more. I really don't know if I can land him with what I've got on. I just don't know if my rod's stiff enough, nor my line's thick enough to. I mean, I'm literally dragging him backwards right now. I'm hoping he just gets tired. What a fight. What a fight. Stay tuned, folks. All right, we're back, folks, here on Double G Outdoors TV, and I am still fighting this giant carp. And this has been going on for at least 10 minutes. I can't gain any ground on this big dude. He's got to be getting tired. just got to be getting tired. I mean, I got him to the top again. Why'd I have to catch him on this rod? It couldn't have been my other one. A little more backbone. Oh my Lord, he is still fighting me. Absolutely terrible because I'm tied on with a loop knot. It ain't even like I got a super strong knot. And there he is. I mean, this stinking thing is wearing me out. There it is. Wow, what a fish. Look, we're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it slowly. Slowly coming in, folks. Slowly coming in. Oh, what a carp. He don't like that being pulled up backwards. He is not liking it. Oh, don't do it. Oh, he's wearing me out. He is not digging backwards. Told you. That's literally what happens. There was 2 carps in there. He just kicked another one out. That was not him. Good gravy. Take our time. He's coming in. I got him tail hooked. Well, folks, this might be a little longer video than normal. Look at this. I need to land it from a buddy, because I think they're taking it over to another pond right over the hillside here at his brother's property. Stay tuned. All right, folks, I'm still fighting this carp. We're now working on 20 minutes. Never would have dreamed. And he is, man, he has ripped some line. Ain't no doubt about that. The owner just told me that this fish has probably been in here 25 years or better. They're going to try to think of moving to a bigger waterway system. Because right now there's a couple smaller ones in here, and they won't let them, this one will not let them grow and do its job, I guess is what the farmer's telling me. So Man, I can't gain any ground with this fish. Now, folks, remember I kept telling you how much I really like this Magic L rod? If it wouldn't have been for this Magic L rod being limber and everything, I would have had to have a really, really stiff rod. I mean, again, this was a complete accident even getting a hold of this fish, but I'm out here bass and bluegill fishing. I'm getting it close to the surface again, but it's out in the middle a lot farther. Running away again. I got it hooked in the worst spot it could be hooked in. Look what that thing's doing to me. Oh, look at this, folks. We're gonna get up on the farm ground and walk around because I can't get around through there too far. He's gonna get me until I get around this edge. If I can't get him, I'm gonna have to do something before long. He's wearing me down. Not me. I want him. I want to land him just for fun. Man, he don't like that. I guess I'm gonna run around the whole pond trying to get him in. Get down here where I can get to him. He's literally taking me 3/4 of the way. I need him to tire out. There he is again. He just broke surface. Oh. Yeah, you just quit trying to pull. Just quit trying a little bit. Come on. God almighty. Burning my hands. Get over here where we can get up here and fight this fish. I don't know that, honestly, I really don't know how to land this old boy. See, look how close I got him to the bank. He was right there. He is absolutely right there. Come on, fish. Come on. Give me some love. Pull in here, just let me. Let me. There he is. Ooh. Come on. Dang. Get him up there. See, he eases up. Oh, there he went, folks. Well, I broke him off. All right. Hey, looky here. If a man's ever going to do a video though, and I broke him off because I was trying to horse him, because this is getting I'm not going to land him, I'll tell you. I wasn't going to. But this is a Magic L handing S602 UL, which means it's a 6-foot 2-piece ultralight. All right, gotta tell you folks, look at the backbone of that rod. Look how good of a rod that is. I don't care who you are. You got to go get you one of these. Great crappie reel, panfish reel, and that's I believe that's 4-pound reaction tackle line, so that's a testament to them. Now look, I had that fish tied with a loop knot. I'm not rigging to snag a fish, you know what I mean? But it became a vendetta. I knew I couldn't land that fish. I just knew it. I mean, there's no other way to say it. I hate that, but there's just no other way to say it. It's too much for this rod, and if I'd have had him hooked in the mouth, oh, he was mine. I would have took my time. I'd have let him peel drag all day. But he is not hooked in the mouth. He's tail hooked, so therefore he's still got all the power in the world to just tear out of here and go forward with it. I'm not going to tell you though that I trust my line now on this. I'm going to peel a bunch of it off actually, and then cut it and put it in my pocket and take it home, and ease my way around here and get my other rods already tied up. All right. Well, you say what you want. That was interesting. Came here with some bass and bluegill, and that was interesting, folks.